Am I moving back to Jamaica? Maybe. Am I moving to the USA? If you want to find out, continue watching. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to our channel. You want to say good morning? Say good morning. Say hello.
Good morning.
Say hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, because we are definitely going to have a wonderful day. It's early morning here for us. It's about 10 minutes after 9 o'clock, and we are about to head out on a little adventure. Is it? Is it adventure, honey? Well, I wouldn't call it adventure. Should I call it a little mini vacation? I don't know if I'm to call it a little mini vacation. But however, remember, I've been telling you guys that we have some changes that will be happening soon, and those changes are about to begin this morning. Those changes will begin this morning as we set out on our journey to somewhere special. Where could this be? Am I moving back to Jamaica? Maybe. Am I moving to the USA? If you want to find out, continue watching. So we will be heading to a special place this morning to go house hunting, because we will be moving. We will be moving. So I consider this the beginning of something exciting, the beginning of something special, the beginning of a new adventure, the beginning of something great. Let's put it that way. I'm looking forward to this new journey. So as usual, I'm just gonna take you guys along with us. Something is on my lip. Why am I eating here?
It's not mine.
TMI, babe. Oh my god. So yeah, as we go on this journey, you guys will see why we're moving and where we're moving to. So we're going to have a full day of traveling. We'll be traveling until we'll be starting our journey at about 10, and then we won't finish traveling until about 8 p.m. maybe. So yeah, that's a long day. So let's see where we're off to. Bye guys, catch you guys later. Hi guys, so we're at our first stop to get our connecting train. First way wasn't too bad. It was about 3 hours, but it ran off in no time for me. Well, at least babe was whining a bit, but we got over that. We are now waiting on our second train, which is going to be about 4 hours ride, but we're delayed about 50 minutes. We're always delayed, but we're just hanging around and munching on some food that we have, not to get too bored. And Tyler, of course. Tyler, what are you up to? Say hello. Say hi, I'm being bad. He just finished eating some Pringles and here messing around, but we're good. The trip is going fairly well. We're happy the first journey went, and on to the second and last. So we should be there about Tyler's bedtime, so hopefully he doesn't get too whiny before we reach, or fall asleep before we reach, because I would rather feed him when we're there than on the train. But if I have to, I'm prepared, and I have all his stuff. I have his feed, I have his bottle, and I have everything, so that should go well. How are you, babe? How are you?
I'm okay, I'm tired too, like you said. was the first day was hard for me, long, and my head hurting since I woke up this morning. But I'm okay. I'm okay otherwise. Just want to finish this ride and be home and ride. I just don't like to wait, sitting on the train, sitting on the plane. Like this to be where I want to be.
This trip is longer than our flight from Paris to Texas. No, babe? Or it's almost the same?
It's almost the same.
It's just that we're riding train instead of flying.
Yeah.
But anyways, it will be all worth it in the end. I'm sure we're gonna have a good time.
I'm sure.
So yeah, we're looking forward to see this mystery place that we're going to, and I'm excited to take you guys along with us. Everybody's just passing and staring at us for some unknown reason. I saw babe looking around and saying he's looking around to see if there is something strange around us, because everybody passed and just staring. I don't know, maybe because I'm black and he's white and Tyler looks cute. I don't know. Do you guys get stares when you're in public? People just passing and staring. But oh well, and now I'm vlogging and they're staring even more, but who cares?
Someone talk loudly.
Who cares?
Not you.
Not more. Anyway guys, we are going to head off to the track that the train is going to be on, because we just saw it on the board which track it's going to be. So we're going to head out and try to catch our seat with all the bags and stuff that we have. So we will catch you guys later.
Bye.
You want to say bye? Say bye-bye. Hey you guys, when I say tired, I mean tired. Oh my god. It's now about 9:30 and we finally got here. Our train delayed about 1,000 times, so we got here extremely late, but we finally checked into our hotel. I think baby's out there trying to figure out how to set up the bed for Tyler. But I'm so hungry. We're extremely exhausted. It's late night and it's very dark, so I can't show you guys what outside looks like, but I'll be sure to do that tomorrow. So now I can finally tell you guys that we are in Nice. We're in Nice house hunting, because, well, it's more like apartment hunting, because we will be moving here, and yeah, we are looking forward to starting this new journey and all that good stuff around this beautiful city. So I'll show you guys a bit around tomorrow when we get a chance to, even though tomorrow will be a busy day. We're off to an early start. You want to say hello? You want to show them you're eating the book? Thank you. Thank you. It's way past Tyler's bedtime, but he already have his bottle and he didn't fall asleep, of course, because we were on the train. We traveled all day. It was exhausting, and hubby and I are both having headaches. Yeah, so house hunting starts tomorrow, and we'll be house hunting for 4 days. We'll be apartment hunting for 4 days, and we return back home in a few days. There are neighbors on both sides of the balcony chatting away, shouting across to each
there's
other.
nothing to, there's no volley.
No. Yeah.
So we have a balcony?
No, we don't.
This one don't? Is
No,
that all?
I don't think so. But maybe. But I'll show you guys what outside look like tomorrow. But I'm just gonna show you what inside our hotel looks like before it gets messy. So this is our bedroom. Yeah, just throw down all the stuff on the bed. So So that's what the bedroom looks like. And pretty cool for 4 days. And this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And come Tyler. Tyler is helping me doing the tour. Come Papa. Come on. Come. Okay, since Tyler is in there, I'll show you guys that later. Oh, there's a balcony. Oh, baby discover we have a balcony outside. And this is the little dining room area, a little office going on over there, dining room table. And yeah. And we have a little comfy couch going on, and we have a little kitchen area right here. How cool. So we have our fridge, we have microwave, and we have cupboard up there stocked with dishes and all that good stuff. What's here, honey? Oh, this is just the walkway. And this is the little walkway when you enter. There's a full mirror. Who doesn't love a full mirror? I sure do love a full mirror. So yeah, that is baby's gonna set up Tyler bed. I'm thankful that they give us a bed for Tyler, because I was hoping that he wouldn't get to sleep with us. So yeah, while hubby's setting that up, Tyler is messing around. I think we're going to run downstairs, because I looked through the window just now and I saw a burger place downstairs. So I'm just going to grab anything we can get tonight to eat. It really doesn't matter, because it's late right now. We're really tired and exhausted, and hubby and I head are pounding through the roof. So we're just going to take whatever we get tonight, and we will catch you guys tomorrow. Say bye, lovelies.
Bye.
Tyler, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Au revoir. He's shaking the hand with the book. Uh-oh. It's okay. Up. Alright, you guys. We'll catch you tomorrow with my tired self. Bye.